Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to name best diamond painting brands and explain why I refer to them as such. But before naming and ranking them, I would like to go over the criteria that I use to determine the best diamond painting companies. The first one is the canvas material, preferably fabric-based and nicely framed. Fabric canvases fold out smoothly. They're crease and wrinkle resistant, as you can see now on your screens. They are strong enough to carry the weight of facets. But this is the least important characteristic of all, to tell you the truth. The second criterion is the adhesive. Canvases that use poured glue as an adhesive are of much higher quality. Poured glue is strong, sturdy, and will not lose adhesiveness even when exposed to large temperature fluctuations. It remains tacky and makes it easy to reposition diamonds when mistakes are made. Once the diamonds are in place, they are much less likely to pop off a canvas than one that uses double-sided tape as an adhesive. Canvases coated in poured glue remain flexible and soft, and there is never any need to worry about air bubbles or wrinkles like here in double-sided tape. Poured glue extremely stable and resists oxidation. The third is drills quality. Diamonds in high-quality kits should be sparkly, light-reflecting, fade-resistant, faceted, same-sized, and not damaged. The most expensive drills are considered to be resin ones that are made from high-quality 100% resin first-grade raw material, not recycled, to ensure exceptional color and durability so they do not break or crack. The fourth criterion is the licensed artwork. Best diamond painting companies legally license every single artwork from the original artist that they sell as a diamond painting kit. These companies give full credit to the artists, and those artists are mentioned on their websites, as you can see now on your screen. Every single image has the artist's name. This way you know who it was painted by. And the last, but the most important criterion, in my opinion, is the detailization of the completed image. As you probably know, 99% of the companies create their diamond painting canvases using a low-cost method of converting original image into pixels. And if the canvas is not of a pretty big size, it results in low resolution in pixelation of a completed diamond painting. It can also cause some sections of the finished canvas to look unnatural due to a poor color selection. So, in conclusion, best diamond painting brands do have a team of designers that meticulously interpret the original work into a diamond painting pattern, which turns out very detailed with a perfect, realistic color blending. These 5 criteria make the best quality diamond paintings. Those companies that feature all or the majority of these characteristics in their kits are ranked the highest. So the first place goes to 2 brands, Diamond DOTZ and Diamond Art Club, because these are the only brands that combine all 5 components. Now you can see the completed kits from these brands. So both Diamond Art Club and Diamond DOTZ use high-quality fabric canvases that are engineered to resist fold marks, and they're strong enough to carry the weight of facets without any problem. Diamond DOTZ has a 100% woven polyester fabric, while the Diamond Art Club a velvet one. Both are of a great quality, and it is just a matter of individual preference which one is liked the best. I personally prefer Diamond DOTZ polyester one, but it does not diminish Diamond Art Club velvet canvas quality in any way. I also enjoy working on it as well. Both brands' canvases do not fray, they do not wrinkle or crease, even if they are folded. Both companies have 100% resin drills which hold their color better. They have a sturdier structure, they reflect light and create a more spectacular finished result. Diamond Art Club and Diamond Dots use a high-quality poured glue along with non-toxic, eco-friendly ink for rendering. I'm not going to repeat all the advantages of the poured glue over double-sided tape, but in short, when working on a poured glue, you can forget about air bubbles, rivers, peeling of canvases, etc. Every piece of art that is sold on their websites as a diamond painting kit is legally licensed and artists are fully credited for their images. And the most important of all, both brands, Diamond Art Club and Diamond Dots, which completed kits you can see on your screens, have a team of designers who hand chart the canvases, spending hours and even days to create every canvas design from scratch. They hand place each color, pixel by pixel, to represent the original artwork as closely as possible. Thus, when a diamond painting is completed by Diamond Art Club and Diamond Dots designers, the final image looks very detailed and colors blend in perfectly, including smaller sizes, for example 50 by 40 centimeters. Regardless of the size, all the artwork looks super detailed. And again, you can see the completed images of their diamond painting kits. They are just amazing. And again, do not forget that both of these companies, these are the only companies I am aware of that combine all 5 components in their kits. Beautiful fabric-based canvas, sparkly resin drills, licensed artists, amazing resolution because they have the team of artists that work on their designs, and poured glue. I love their designs. I do love their completed diamond paintings, and I do love working on them. Just look at these beautiful kits. How is it possible not to love these 2 companies and not to give it the first place? I could not decide which of them is the best, so they share the first place. The second place goes British company Crystal Archit or Craft Body. Out of 5 criteria, they are missing only 1, which is not really that important in their case. I will elaborate on it later. It is a canvas material. It looks like they use a standard oilcloth canvas like AliExpress stores, but since all their kits are mounted on the wood, the canvas material is not really a big deal because of it being attached to the wood, the canvas does not have any wrinkles or creases. Other than that, this company has super detailed, finished images and amazing LED kits. Now you can see their kits that I completed. Some of them are LED, some of them are not. For example, this kit is not LED, yet look how detailed it is. All the kits that you see on your screens now are 40 by 50 centimeters. They're not that big, but at the same time, all of them contain pretty many objects and details, and the resolution is perfect in them. For example, look at the one on your screens now. It is only 40 by 50 centimeters. There are lots of objects and details on it, yet the resolution is so high that you can spot every single detail, even including the ornament on a rug or the gifts. You can also differentiate every single book on the shelf. And there are a lot of books on it. So I'm really very amazed at the digitalization of their kits. I love them. And one more good characteristic is that you do not really have to spend money on purchasing the frame because, as I mentioned before, they already come mounted on the wood. Amazing a store. I wish we had more of their kits here in the US, but unfortunately, the most of it are in Britain. So the third place goes to Dreamer Designs. I love high quality canvas, a poured glue, and amazingly sparkly drills. But as far as I understand, this company does not have a team of artists, and that is why, to avoid pixelation on their kits, Dreamer Designs choose a bigger canvas size. And as you know, I'm not a fan of 60 by 90 or 60 by 80 centimeter kits, and the majority of their diamond paintings are of this size. These kits are way too big. They are pretty hard to frame. They fall down from the frame because of their size. They like go in waves, if it is possible to say so. And they take too much space on the walls when you try to put the frame on it. I just don't have so much space at home. Besides, the color selection on their images is way too bright to my taste. The kits that are smaller than 60 by 80 centimeters are way too pixelated for this size, even 60 by 60 ones. And as I mentioned before, I am not a fan of bigger kits. If you like the kits that are of a big size, like 60 by 80, 60 by 90 or so, and you like pretty bright colors, this company is for you. I wish they had a team of artists that would work on their kits to make them more realistic and more detailed when it comes to smaller kits. The fourth place goes to Wizardy. This company meets only 2 criteria out of 5. They have the best, although acrylic, square drills I have worked so far with. They have the most exquisite shimmer and sparkle. They are of all the same size. It is the only company that does not have a gapping issue. And I also love the detailization of a completed kit because Wizardy mentioned on their website having a team of artists working on their canvases. But unfortunately, their canvas is made of a standard vinyl material, which with such a sticky double-sided tape that it is impossible to move a drill if placed inaccurately or incorrectly, and this type of adherent also makes the canvas feel stiff rather than soft and flexible. And Wizardy also extends the sheet of a double-sided tape beyond the edges of the artwork itself, and this excess tape easily collects dust, pet hair, and other debris, resulting in a dirty, unwanted border on the masterpiece. Taking into consideration the price of their kits, I would definitely encourage them to switch, if not to a fabric canvas, then definitely to a poured glue. This is the only wish that I have for them. They have beautiful drills, detailization, but double-sided adhesive and standard canvas. And the last company that I would like to mention and that ranks on the 5th place is TeamMe Arts from AliExpress. They have a very nice fabric canvas that somewhat resembles Diamond Art Club one. They have great quality drills, poured glue, but it looks like they no longer have a team of artists since their recent kits look way too pixelated for their size. It was mentioned before that they were bought by a different company, so now they have a different owner, and unfortunately, the detailization of their kits deteriorated, and they do not look as detailed as they used to before. So this is all for today. I really hope that you will find this information useful, and please share in the comments what companies you consider the best and let me know why. I love trying the new companies, and I will be more than happy to find more companies that have all these 5 criteria that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.